All right. Behind me, the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla. Let's take a quick look.
Yes, Toyota's hottest hatch is back for 2025 with some serious upgrades, including a major transmission option that opens up the GR Corolla to an even wider group of enthusiasts, and maybe that's you. For the first time, the GR Corolla will be available with a new 8-speed racing direct automatic transmission featuring paddle shifters and track-tuned responsiveness. Whether you're a manual purist who lives for every gear change or a performance-focused driver who prefers to keep both hands on the wheel, the 2025 lineup delivers. Developed and tested by Toyota's GR team, the same engineers behind rally and circuit successes worldwide, the 2025 GR Corolla brings more torque, sharper handling, better cooling, and smarter tech, all without sacrificing the raw personality that made it an instant legend. Yes, the biggest headline is the addition of the available 8-speed direct automatic transmission, built specifically for the GR Corolla by Toyota's racing team. Designed for maximum performance, this transmission anticipates your inputs for lightning quick downshifts and keeps you planted in the sweet spot of the power band. With tighter gear ratios and sport-specific tuning, it delivers faster laps and more responsive everyday driving, while retaining that tactile, high-energy experience that true enthusiasts crave. At the heart of this vehicle is the potent 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder, now delivering 300 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and an increased 295 pound-feet of torque. Your handling upgrades include rebound springs added to the front and rear suspension for better grip during aggressive cornering, redesigned rear suspension geometry to reduce squat and maintain posture under acceleration, standard Torsen limited slip differentials, front and rear for better traction through tight corners, and upgraded cooling systems available on premium trims to handle those track day abuses. Beyond the performance hardware, the GR Corolla receives subtle but important visual and aerodynamic enhancements. Redesigned front bumper improves airflow for cooling without sacrificing aerodynamics. Enhanced brake ducts and air curtain design around the tires improve stability at high speeds. And available forged carbon fiber roof, standard on Premium Plus models, reduces weight up high for better balance. New for 2025 is the Premium Plus grade, which includes standout features like the forged carbon roof, vented bulge hood, and head-up display. Exterior colors include black, ice cap, heavy metal, and supersonic red, all riding on 18-inch alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. Inside it balances its wild performance with a tech-forward cabin featuring 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with customizable layouts, an 8-inch Toyota Audio multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice-activated controls with available Drive Connect for connected navigation and real-time updates, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, and integrated streaming with Apple Music and Amazon Music. This is offered in 3 trim levels: Core, Premium, and Premium Plus, which is new, starting MSRP just under $40,000. Before you head to the dealership, make sure you're getting the absolute best price in your zip code. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com. It's free, easy to use. It's a search engine trusted by thousands of car shoppers every day for new and used vehicles in your area. Don't pay more than you have to. Start your search at quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video.
For even more information on this vehicle and others, check out everymandriver.com. Until next time, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching. Adios. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.
Looking for a great at-home sauna at a great price? Get 5% off any indoor or outdoor sauna, cold plunge, or infrared sauna from Almost Heaven with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at checkout. For over 40 years, Almost Heaven saunas have been trusted as the top American home sauna manufacturer. Almost Heaven saunas deliver high-quality products and firmly stands behind the holistic benefits the sauna brings to your mind and your body. Again, get 5% off any order with my discount code DAVE, 5% off at almostheaven.com. There's also a direct link below this video.